Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is based on mastering JSON in Python. JSON means JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight format used to share or store exchange data. In Python, JSON is widely used for saving in configuration files, exchanging data between programs, web APIs, and storing structured data like users, settings, and record. So Python provides a built-in JSON module to easily work with JSON data. So let's understand this with some example. So firstly, we'll convert Python dictionary to JSON string. So for that, firstly we'll import JSON and now we'll create the data. So here we are creating a dictionary of data. So here we have created the dictionary and now here dumps method is dictionary, which is JSON string and which is very useful sending data over network or APIs, and output is a string, not a file. So let's see its output. So here we can see the dictionary is printed, and now we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is convert JSON string back to Python dictionary. So for this we'll import JSON and now here we have created the JSON text. So this will print the data and this will print the type of the data. So here this loads method is JSON string and it's a Python object. So this will convert the JSON string to Python object, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output and the type is dictionary. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is save dictionary to a JSON file. So for this we'll import JSON and now we'll create a dictionary so that we can save that to a JSON file. So here we have created a dictionary. So here what happens, firstly we created a dictionary and then we will write to this file and then we'll save the JSON file. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the JSON file is saved successfully. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read data from a JSON file. So for this we'll import the library and here we'll read to this file and now we'll print the JSON file and now we'll see the output. So here we can see load reads JSON file and converts it into Python object, and data can now be accessed none. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is pretty print JSON. So here we have imported JSON file and now we'll create the data. So here we are creating a dictionary. So here we have created the data and now we'll print this. So here we have just printed the data, and indent 4 makes JSON readable, which is very useful for configuring files and debugging. So now let's see its output. So here you can see its output. Okay, so the next one is save a list of dictionary to JSON. So we'll import JSON and now we'll create a list of dictionaries. So here we have created 2 dictionaries and now we'll convert them to JSON. So here we can see that our list of dictionary will be saved in a JSON file, and JSON support list of objects common in API and database. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the data is saved, and now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read JSON and access specific data. So let's import JSON. So here we'll load the JSON file and we'll access the specific data. So JSON data behaves like normal Python list and dictionaries, which is easy to access and nested values. So now let's see the output. So here we can see the output and how to access the specific data. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is sort JSON keys while saving. So let's import JSON and now we'll create a dictionary and now we'll print it. So here we have sort JSON keys and sort key is equals to true. This sorts keys alphabetically, which is useful for consistency and comparison. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output. So by mastering these JSON in Python, You can store structured data safely, exchange data between programs, work with APIs and web services. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching.